So, hi guys! Magdi-dinner kami ngayon sa bago. Motor check. Ang tagal po ng aming susundan. Ano ba? Ang aming susundan. Napakatagal. Nandito kami sa Bagok Beach. So, trip ni Uncles kasi aalis na si Lola. Punta ng Davao. Let's go! It's so amazing here. So we have here the menu of Bagok Beans. Ayan guys. Go. There? O tara, open na natin yung door. Knock knock, knock knock ka baby. Knock knock. May toys dyan, nandyan si Pia. Oh, knock knock. Oh, dali si Pia. Lalabas niya si Pia, dali. Ayaw mo kay Pia? Sino gusto mo si Strawberry? May unboxing dun, may unboxing. May unboxing. Ari ka na, ari ka na. So what can you say sa food ng Bagok?
Masarap po lahat.
Why? Masarap. Anong favorite mo? Which one? Sinigang na bangus. Update. Wala nang kanin.
Yan, lagyan ko may sala. Wala.
How to eat buns properly. Okay. Then, wow! Ano yung baby?
Fish!
What's that? Fish? Wala namang fish. Wow!
Uy, meron mo?
Wala namang fish, baby. Ay, yung maliliit. Wow! Ay, say bye-bye to fish.
Bye! Wow! You! Wow! Fish!
Wow!
Say bye-bye!
Wow!
Bye.
Alala! Wow! 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 The vibe is giving American living room. Wow! Wow! Guys, I recommend this restaurant talaga. The main branch of Bag of Beans here in Tagaytay. So, punta na kayo guys. The Christmas vibe is still here. Fit check. Boo, drip check.
Kailangan si ate.
Oh, sleep na sleep. Eat mine. Aba, pampers kita na. Hi guys, so this is my anak. No, this is my bunso. My bunso. Oh, this is mine. Oh. By the way guys, I have this watch. Nabili ko lang sa TikTok shop. Sobrang ganda. Uwi na tayo? Yan, uwian na. Uwian na. Di na masaya. Sakay na ang mga san-san kayo sasakay girl. May tae ka be?
May tae ka daw. Pupusin yun. Mami!
Dagyo ba yung mali? Umangin eh. Nagpa-vlog si ate. Umutot. So, dyan kami sasakay sa pick-up ni Tita Johnny. Let's go.